Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and today we have a first on my channel. I've been sent this little box by a company to review. Sort of an early Christmas present, and it's actually just in time because it's gonna work out with a project I have in mind that hopefully will be on the channel soon. So without further ado, let's open up this package and see what's in it. Haven't opened it till now, so we'll get to see this together. I know what it should be, but let's see. Okay, nice little bubble wrap here. And this is it. This was sent to me by T-Motor from China. And there's two things here. One is a motor. And we have a bit of the specs here. 2306 1500 kV motor. Let's see, weight 28.5 grams. And it's rated for 2 to 3S. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh, nice. Really good packaging. I haven't seen anything like this on the motors I usually use. There's a nice quality check card there. Wow. That is a really nice packaging and a lot of effort they put into this. And there it is. Tiny brushless motor. Looks really nice. Whoa, and it feels awesome. You can feel it. Click those magnets. Windings look really good on this. Just the finish on it, looks really great. I haven't owned any of their products before, but I have seen videos and I've seen top guys in competitions using these motors and these products. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, looks like we have the screws that will go into the motor mount, some adapters, and two of these rubber O-rings that will secure the prop to the motor. So this is intended for small 3D, 4D airplanes, and that's how you usually attach the prop. Just put it on here, then run those rubber bands over it, held on by these screws, and no connectors. That's good because you can use your own. Make sure the connections are really nice and tight. I'm really looking forward to seeing this in action. As I said, the finish on this is way better than any other motor I've seen, and I've had a few go through my hands over time. Great details. Okay, and the second item I got is an ESC. Let's open this up. You can see this is also rated for 2 to 3S and only 19 grams. It's not bad. So if you're familiar with my channel, you probably know by now I prefer small planes, and that's what I plan to use this in. Okay, this already comes with bullet connectors. That's nice. And this is where you'll solder your battery connection. Also says here BEC 2 amps at 5 volts. That's pretty decent for a ESC this size. Shrink wrap also looks really good. And also have these two connectors. Standard one. And I'm not sure what this is for, but I'll have look up the manual and see exactly what it can be used for. So yeah, this will be a rather short video. I'll have to get the airplane I plan to use these on. It's currently not in stock, but I hope it will be soon. And I can't wait to use these. I'll probably try and make a build video and show you how you can install these. And of course, what everyone likes to see most, flight video, and see how these electronics perform. I have a feeling they're going to be awesome, but we'll see. And I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below, so you can check out all their products. They have everything from small motors like these to huge motors for 3D planes, and a lot more, gliders, you name it. There's a bunch on their website. I'm sure if you're looking for a motor, there is something you'll find. I also saw they have bundles that come with motor, ESC, and prop, all matched together. That's very convenient if you're looking for a all-in-one solution. So you don't have to source the parts separately or wonder if they will work well together. So thanks again, T-Motor. Really appreciate this, and I hope I'll put them to good use. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye.